Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to build advanced AI automations in 2026, connecting Claude to Make is one of the most powerful setups you can create. It's more flexible than most automation tools, workflow builder, advanced logic and multi-step automations. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to connect Claude to Make in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, get your Claude API key. So this is crucial. So before connecting Make, log into Claude Open Developer or API setting. Generate a new API key, copy and store it securely. The API key is your connection credential, okay? After that, open Make dashboard, click create scenario, choose starting module, and scenario equals automation workflow in Make. Now choose your trigger app. So your trigger could be Google Sheets update, form submission, CRM activity, email received, webhook trigger, database updates. So the trigger starts the Claude automation. Okay, now since Claude usually connects via API, click add module, search for HTTP, choose make a request, and this module sends the request to Claude API. Okay, so now configure Cloud API request. So inside HTTP module method, URL, so Cloud API endpoints headers, we have include authorization, API key, content type, which is application or JSON. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.